Hey guys, Thad here with Klymer Ridge Farm again. Thanks for checking us out. Today it's a quick video, but we're just taking a little time. It's been nasty out, but we have some pine logs laying from a couple of trees that blew over in some recent storms, and we're in need of some 2x4s. We're gonna build our new Eggmobile. Maybe start it tomorrow afternoon, but it's a good day to cut some lumber. So we're running a Timbery. It's an M100 Timbery Sawmill. It's a 14 horsepower Kohler engine, has a 17-foot track. It's a very good beginner plus model. Actually, Mike, you'll see him in the video. He actually bought the sawmill when they moved out here, and has had it up here at my spot for a while, just for us to be able to use it and utilize all of that stuff. So just stay tuned for a little bit and check out the sawmill. I don't think I'll talk anymore in the video, so I'd love to hear from you guys. Let me know what you think in the comments, and we will see you next time. Thank you. Like that. Beautiful.